Josh here.
And Michelle.
And we are
Adventures Ahead.
And we got, boom, treat box.
My hair, I'm looking a hot mess today.
Yep.
I
Looks
just
like you're
got
about
out
to
of
go
the
work at a
shower.
carnival.
Oh.
Just kidding. Okay.
Treat box.
So yeah, this is
We hungry
July.
today.
This is July's treat box.
Yes.
And yeah. Oh god, I forgot to cut one corner. Okay. Oh.
I don't remember the...
I don't remember this either. It's not India, is it? I don't.
No, we already had India.
Oh. You will be receiving an extra mystery snack in your box this month. Ho!
What?
Says to order more of your favorite treats, please visit.
That's sweet. It is India.
Yeah, I thought so.
You're
Taj
right.
Mahal. Okay, well, we don't read that one. Read some of the facts. Don't look at the thing for next time.
Population is almost 3 billion.
Holy cow.
Capital is New Delhi. The climate is tropical. The government type is Federal Parliament Republic.
I don't know what that means.
India holds the world's second largest population at 1.28 billion, following right behind China at 1.4 billion.
Wow. So India and China are like really crowded.
Shampoos originated in India. India has the largest population of vegetarians in the world.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh.
So let's start with this. And I don't see this. This must be the
That's
extra snack.
mystery.
Pan. Let me see. What's this one? Sweet and salty.
Some of the stuff looks interesting.
Oh yeah, there's that. There's that.
We've had these before.
Yeah. Mango, there's that. Where's Pan? That's these. Pan.
We're just trying to get everything.
So yeah, this is
organized.
the extra treat this month right here. It doesn't look Indian. It looks like from like China.
It looks Korean or something.
Yeah. They're like, we had these left over. Here you go, sons of guns.
Okay, so we're going to start with the mystery item.
Yeah, Mr. Item
Don't
first.
know what it is.
Don't have a goddamn clue.
It's got like
It's like a rice patty.
something like white. Oh, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little sweet. Tastes like a corn pop or something.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
Oh yeah. Reminds me of a corn pop.
The
Golden
cereal.
Golden Graham. Not
Gold-
Golden Graham. I mean, the one with the sugar bear. Golden Puffs?
Sugar smacks. Is that what we're talking about?
I don't know.
I was talking about corn pops. They're good.
Mm-hmm. Good. We don't know what it is.
Okay. A little sweet. It kind of tastes like corn.
Mm-hmm. This is Parle G biscuits. Parle G biscuits are small, rectangular, flat baked biscuits, and the number one best-selling biscuit in the world. These biscuits are for strength for strength in body and mind.
Ooh. They're like a shortbread.
Mm-hmm.
They're slightly sweet, not overly sweet.
Really good.
Nice to dink in your coffee. These are good. We'll be
Really-
eating those.
Yep, really good. Let's do something a little different here. Well, maybe we should, but we'll have to.
No, we can't.
Well, there's two kinds,
I know.
so we have to.
I don't want to eat that right now.
Here. 50-50 biscuit. The biscuits that have a quality of both being sweet and salty at the same time. Launched in 1993, The dual flavor 50-50 biscuit makes it a big hit in India, and it soon became one of the country's favorite treats.
I wonder if this is like chicken in a biscuit.
Has an interesting smell.
It smells like sugar a little bit, but there's no sugar. That's weird.
Not bad,
No.
but it is. It's like it's almost sweet, but then it's not.
Like at first it's not sweet at all.
Right.
And then as you're chewing it, it gets sweeter.
Pretty good. Next up, Max Sizzlin' Barbecue by Lay's. Barbecue flavored chips, uniquely rich in texture. Each bite carries with it is such a crunch and blast savory barbecue flavor. How they smell?
Like barbecue. They're really ridged. I don't understand. What kind of barbecue? It's got pictures of onions and stuff on here. It's not regular barbecue.
No, it's called a barbecue, like
Oh.
not barbecue flavored. It's like like your grilling stuff. And so it's got peppers, it's got onions, it's got cilantro. Yeah, they're spicy. They're good though. I like them.
They're interesting. Okay, how are we gonna do this? We got a bunch of candies in here.
Yep.
Why do we only have one of these?
We weren't supposed to get it, I don't think.
We got one of these.
We had these before. They're really good, but we weren't supposed to have this. Okay? Does we want one and I have one and we both, or do you want to?
And then we switch?
Do you want Mango Mood or Pan's Candy?
Oh.
Unique flavor.
We could each try both, I
And
guess.
then just spit it out.
Let's try the mango first. Or chew it up. Ooh, it's sticky. It's filled with something. Nope.
Oh, crap. Grab that.
That's gross.
Oh, that mango's sick, dude.
That's bad.
Ugh.
That's really bad.
It don't taste like the mango rum we had last night on live, does it? Okay.
Hopefully this is like strawberry.
Oh, I didn't read the mango
Oh,
thing.
yeah. Thanks a lot.
Our mango flavored candy is that made from real mango pulp. It's manufactured standards. It's India's national fruit. Mango is. Yeah, but nah, I didn't care for it.
This one. It's a hard candy with a very unique flavor. Sweet and spicy taste. It's enjoyed as an after dinner treat because it's fresh and sweet flavor.
It is very interesting. It's not bad though.
It reminds me of chemicals or something.
Yeah, like a chemical you'd use to like clean like.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting a mint now.
Are you?
Effect.
I spit it out.
I think I'm gonna roll with it.
Okay.
Okay, so
What was your favorite thing in this box, Josh?
my favorite thing was, I think, these chips. I like these chips a lot.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I think my favorite thing was actually the shortbread cookies.
Those were second for me. Worst
This was
thing,
second for me.
worst mango
Hated it.
was the worst. I think you should give this another try.
No. It tastes weird.
You're right. It does taste like it's chemical.
Chemicals.
It's like a chemical.
It's like something you clean your bathroom with.
You know what it reminds me of? Because I can like smell it through my nose.
I don't know why I keep doing this.
Because that's my flavor tasting. It reminds me of our sanitizer water chemical that we use at work for dishes.
You know what it reminds me? Toilet bowl cleaner.
It's starting to get bad.
Yeah, I
actually.
told you. Ugh. It's bad. It smells like toilet bowl cleaner.
Oh,
It tastes like that too.
it got bad.
I need a cracker.
Yeah. Mmm. So,
India, you had some good
oh,
stuff.
where's the card? We gotta do next week.
Next month.
Next month. Next month's treats come to you from a country in Asia known for its technologically companies and its huge metropolitan city capital with a population of over 25 million.
Okay.
I don't know, that's the picture. If you guys can see it. That's not Shanghai, is it?
Hong Kong?
I don't know.
I mean, that would make sense. Hong Kong is... Haven't we already had a China box?
Oh my god.
Oh, bad.
This is thick. I think this is worse than mango. Now that it's set in my mouth, I said set in my mouth, but it's like something else. Okay, guys.
That's all we got for you.
Treat box coming at you. Man, these are good as a mug.
We
Dude.
didn't even say anything about that guy. The extra.
The extra was really good.
Yeah, it wasn't one of my favorites, but it was good.
Yeah, we'll eat this. Yeah, like we haven't eaten dinner yet, and we're like really hungry, so we're eating more than normal. Treat box, get one. Try it, guys. Let us know.
Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.
Bye.